Illustration number 2. From the following illustration, past journal entries in the books of X. X draws a bill for $4,000 on Y. Y accepts it and returns it to X. Here two accounts are involved. The first account is bills receivable account. Bills receivable account nature is asset. In this transaction, asset increase in business. When asset increase in business, account will be debited. The second account is Y account. Y is a debtor and nature of debtor is an asset. When asset decrease in business, account will be credited. Now bills receivable account debit with $4,000. Y account is credit with the same amount. X endorses it over to Z in this transaction. Two accounts are involved. C account and bills receivable account. C is a creditor of X. Creditor nature is a liability. After endorsement of the bill, the liability decrease in business. C account will be debited. Bills receivable account nature is an asset. When asset decrease in business, the account will be credited. Now, C account is debited with $4,000. Bills receivable account credited with the same amount.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.